and learn
English!
I like to ride bikes. I like to take hikes. I like to fly kites. What about you? What do you like?
I like to swim in the sea. I like to play in the sand. I like to walk with my mom. I like to hold her hand. There are lots of things I like, things to see and do. There are lots of things I like, and it's much more fun with you.
I like to ride bikes. And I like to take hikes. And I like to fly kites. What about you? What do you like?
I like to swim in the sea. I like to play in the sand. I like to walk with my mom. I like to hold her hand. There are lots of things I like, things to see and do. There are lots of things I like, and it's much more fun with you. I like sunsets and ice cream.
I like music and dancing.
I like puppies and kittens too. I like you and you and you and you. There are lots of things I like, things to see and do. There are lots of things I like, and it's much more fun with you. It's much more fun with you. If you like this video, hit the like button down below and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.
And leave comments and check out our other videos. Well, go on, check them out.